What's up, guys? So I'm replacing the shifter joint on my WRX. So I have OEM shifter joint and a replacement spring pin that goes in to lock it in place. I'm getting under there. I got this small inner pin out yesterday. Today I have to fight with it again and try to take out the larger pin that actually holds the joint to the transmission shaft, like the shaft that shifts it. So I'm gonna get in there, try to take care of this really quick, and hopefully get this done in a timely manner. Let's get to it. Alright, so I almost got it. You can see it there. And what I've been using is a 1/4 inch drill bit on a 3/8 extension, because that works. I mean, unless you have a punch, I'm just improvising because it's what I have. But I've got it like halfway through. Just got to keep punching it out. This part sucked the most, just FYI. But now you can see like how loose my shifter is. That's all shifter play. Fucking garbage. Okay, let me finish knocking this out. I can't do this with the camera running. Just had to show you guys. Right now I'm taking out this bolt that holds the back end in place. I got the front, that big pin out. I've got a wrench on top that I'm holding with my right hand on the front side of this transmission mount. And I've got my ratchet back here. It's a 12 on both of them. Let's see if we can get any of this. Get that out. Alright, I gave it a little love tap to separate it. And out comes the old one. Okay, this is just a quick comparison. Old and new, getting pulled out right now. So you can see how nice and tight this one is. And then you can see this one has that bushing nearly completely missing. That is because of all the shifter play. This. So all the part numbers can be seen. Alright, so now we're going to put the fresh one back in. So you see the gap there where it goes. I'm just going to try to press the new linkage in the right position, or the new joint in the right position. And then I will work the shifter linkage onto it afterwards and then run the bolt through. So let me get that in really quick, and it's gonna go in like this with a little hook for the spring that mine actually does not have, towards the passenger side, towards the right side of the car. Maybe I'll replace the spring. I'm not sure if I really need it, but I'll get there. Let me pop this on really quick. I went ahead and put that bolt back through, and I have the nut on top, and I'm just going to tighten it again the same way I pulled it out, with the wrench on top, ratchet on bottom, and then I will work on getting this dude in there, get that pin in place. Alright, so I got that tightened up. Now I've got, alright, went in a lot easier than I thought. Okay, so I got that lined up. And now I've got to get that pin in and hope I feel the weight of the shifter up there, and just hope that I can get this in fairly easily and quickly. So, alright, time to fight with that. Alright, so I had to take out the smaller pin from the bigger pin and get the larger one started. I think I have it lined up now. I have my daughter on the inside of the car holding the shifter. Wiggle it a little bit. Perfect. Okay, it's lined up, so I just need you to just stay there, okay? Alright, so now I'm gonna continue to hit that in, and then I will hit the smaller pin into it afterwards. Alright, so I got it through, and it's got a little bit, almost the same amount of pin coming out of the top. So now I'm gonna get the smaller pin and put it through the center, and I'll be done. Just so you guys can get a taste of what I've been doing to get them in, using my 1/2" extension. Just setting it up there on the pin. There we go. Now we got both pins in place. Shake it. Shift it. All right, let's go to the top side and see how well it fixed it. Ooh, no more shift slop. Nice and tight. Yeah. Sweet. Worst job ever. Made me hate my Subaru. Thanks for watching.